Hello guys, and thinking of my last video, I showed you how to make bird feeders, and I'll send the link down to you down below. And now we are going to put some footage of us putting the bird feeders on the trees. And yeah, so let's go. Grandma, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So we're walking down the steps now of our new house. And we're walking to the tree bench. So where do you want to put it? I think I want to put it over here somewhere. Where you want to put it? What is first right there? That one? So, no Grace, how about this one? Let's see if it stays. Yay, it stays. So guys, what the birds will do is they will come and they like sit on one of these branches and eat it. So yeah guys, and I'm super excited. And yeah guys, I'm super excited until the birds come out. Until the birds come and eat it. So yeah, oh look at that thing right there, Mom. See it? Yeah, it's kind of interesting. Yeah. So yeah, now we are going back in the house. So that is what it looks like, guys.